do like my morning tea for breakfast, and then tea time again.
The Welsh do have a marginally higher consumption on average of tea. Bristol and the Welsh ports used to be an area where obviously a lot of seafaring sailing boats came in the great days of the start of the tea business, and patently, obviously, tea found its way into this part of the country. And also, I feel probably that there's a strong family feel about Wales, a strong family ethic, and tea has always been a family occasion. The older generation tend to take refuge in tea. They obviously become more and more aware of its wonderful qualities as they grow older.
I never judged how many cups it is, but I'm there till the pot is empty.
Oh, if it was alcoholic, I'd be drunk all day.